This year at CES, Vive released a new VR headset with a very long name. It's called the HTC Vive XR Elite, and I think I want one. And the number one reason being is that I think this is the lightest PC VR and standalone headset that I've ever tried. Not to mention the multiple ways that you can actually use this headset. You can actually take off the battery pack and wear this as glasses, but you would have to connect it to a separate battery pack with a USB-C cord. Now, the AR on this headset is truly amazing. I would say the colors are a lot brighter than other RGB headsets, and the pass-through is very, very clear. So clear that I could even read my name tag and the small print on the name tag as well. It also works with Vive wrist trackers. So with the wrist trackers here, we connected them to one in real life that correlated to one inside of the game. Now, my only problem with the wrist trackers is that you always have to have them facing up, or else the cameras inside the headset cannot see them and it will not be tracked. The resolution is 3840 by 1920. And if you're a person who needs to wear glasses in VR, you no longer have to do that because you can adjust your diopters. Overall, I want the XR Elite because it's really small and compact, and it has every single thing a top-of-the-line VR headset would have.